Good morning, everybody. A happy Independence Day to one and all. Today, India is celebrating its 74th Independence Day. After our independence in 1947, this is the first time that our national tricolor flag is being hoisted in schools without the students being present. Today at our national capital at Red Fort 2, the Independence Day celebration is with health protocols following social distancing norms. This year's Independence Day celebration is dedicated to all our COVID warriors, doctors, nurses, paramedical staff, all our health workers, and of course policemen. As we all know, in the last 6 months, the world has changed drastically. Our lifestyles, our way of thinking, our eating habits, all have undergone a great change. We have all been humbled by the fury of the pandemic. The novel coronavirus has made even the most powerful nations of the world come to their knees. Now, this is not the time to fret and grumble. As our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi said, this is the time to change every crisis into an opportunity. There is a saying in English, "He knows not his own strength who hath not met adversity," which means it is during a crisis that we realize our real strength. It is during the darkest hours that we discover the brightness of the light within ourselves. In another 5 years, India is going to be the world's youngest country with 64% of its population under the working age group and the average age of India being 29 years. Our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi has a vision of making India Atmanirbhar, a self-reliant nation. Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan, as the name suggests, aims at making India self-reliant, reducing its dependence on other nations for its survival. Now, as students, you all have a very important role to play to make India self-reliant. In the last 6 months, there has been a lot of change in the teaching-learning process. Gone are the days when parents were asked to keep mobile phones away from children and monitor their net activities and so on. Today, almost every child has a mobile phone of his own, a social media account, and an online educational platform. And all these changes have made him a digital citizen. Now, students, please make sure that you are responsible digital citizens following the rules and regulations and the codes of conduct the system demands. Now, students, it has been noticed that you play a lot of mischief during your online sessions. But remember, students, this is not the same as playing a mischief in the classroom. Students, you must realize whatever you post or upload, even if you delete it, it lives on if someone else has already shared it. The internet can also encourage rude behavior, which comes under cyberbullying, and that is a very serious offense. Going to age-inappropriate sites can mentally ruin you. I hope all my students will take all these advices seriously. Remember, children, as per the latest reports from the United Nations, the COVID-19 pandemic has created the largest disruption of education in history. It has affected more than 1.9 billion students around the globe who do not have access to online education. It is at this juncture you all should realize how lucky you are. By the grace of God, all of you have an access to online education. May you all do well. So let us all fight together to overcome this crisis and make India a self-reliant nation. Jai Hind.
ലോകത്തിലെങ്ങും നിറഞ്ഞു വിളങ്ങുന്ന സ്നേഹസ്വരൂപ ജഗത്പിതാവേ, തെല്ലുമഹംഭാവമെന്നെ വിജ്ഞാനവും നല്ല വിവേകവും ഉത്സാഹവും ബുദ്ധിയും താഴ്മയും സ്നേഹവും കർത്തവ്യ ബോധവും ഉള്ളിലുദിക്കുവാനായി ഞങ്ങളെ എന്നും അനുഗ്രഹിച്ചിടുവാൻ അങ്ങയ്ക്കു കൂപ്പുകയർപ്പിക്കുന്നു. സത്യം വദിപ്പാനും നിർഭയം ധർമ്മത്തെ നിത്യവും ആചരിച്ചിടുവാനും വാത്സല്യപൂർവകം തോന്നിച്ചു ഞങ്ങളെ സൽസ്വഭാവങ്ങളിണക്കി മേന്മേൽ ഞങ്ങളെ എന്നും അനുഗ്രഹിച്ചിടുവാൻ അങ്ങയ്ക്കു കൂപ്പുകയർപ്പിക്കുന്നു. ഞങ്ങളെ എന്നും അനുഗ്രഹിച്ചിടുവാൻ അങ്ങയ്ക്കു കൂപ്പുകയർപ്പിക്കുന്നു. ഗുരുർ ബ്രഹ്മ ഗുരുർ വിഷ്ണു ഗുരുദേവോ മഹേശ്വര ഗുരു സാക്ഷാത് പരബ്രഹ്മ തസ്മൈ ശ്രീ ഗുരവേ നമഃ. സരസ്വതി നമസ്തുഭ്യം വരദേ കാമരൂപിണി വിദ്യാരംഭം കരിഷ്യാമി സിദ്ധിർഭവതു മേ സദാ. ഓം സഹനാ ഭവതു സഹനൗ ഭുനക്തു സഹ വീര്യം കരവാവഹൈ തേജസ്വിനാവതീതമസ്തു മാ വിദ്വിഷാവഹൈ. ഓം ശാന്തി ശാന്തി ശാന്തി. असतो मा सर्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय. ओम शांति शांति शांति.
Pledge. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, and all elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity along lies my happiness. Jai Hind. Flag salute, salute. Order.
झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा, विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा. झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा, विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा. सदा शक्ति बरसाने वाला, प्रेम सुधा बरसाने वाला, वीरों को हर्षाने वाला, मातृभूमि का तन मन सारा. झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा, विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा, झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा।
ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू,
ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू।
मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू,
मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू।
ऐ वतन मेरे वतन,
ऐ वतन मेरे वतन।
तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से,
तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से।
पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू,
पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू।
ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू। ऐ वतन मेरे वतन,
ऐ वतन मेरे वतन।
तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दूं,
तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दूं।
कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू,
कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू।
ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू,
मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू।
ऐ वतन
ऐ वतन
मेरे